Welcome to Brain Vision.
Okay, so we know the angular frequency can be equal to square root k over m. K is the spring constant, m is the mass. So therefore, k is equal to m omega squared. And we know angular frequency also equal to 2 pi f, which is 2 pi times frequency. So therefore, we'll have k is equal to m times 2 pi f to the power 2. So we know mass is given as 1.67 times 10 to the power negative 27 kilograms. And the frequency is 1.0 times 10 to the power 14 hertz. So therefore, let's determine the effective spring constant, which is equal to 1.67 times 10 to the power of negative 27 kilograms. Oop. And then times 2 pi times 1.0 times 10 to the power of 14, and then to the power of 2. Oh, sorry, got about units. Hertz, and then to the power of 2. And this will give us the spring constant is about 659.3 Newton per meter. For the next question, let's try to determine the average thermal energy, which is given as the formula here, kT. K is the Boltzmann constant, which is about 1.38 times 10 to the power negative 23 joule per Kelvin, and temperature is given as 300 Kelvin. So therefore, the average thermal energy should be equal to 1.38 times 10 to the power of negative 23 joule per Kelvin, and then times 300 Kelvin. And this will give us the average thermal energy at temperature 300 Kelvin is about 4.14 times 10 to the power of negative 21 joule. And according to the question, we know the total vibrational energy is equal to the average thermal energy. Okay, so therefore we have the total vibrational energy is equal to 4.14 times 10 to the power negative 21 joule. And we know the total vibrational energy can also be equal to 1/2 times Ka squared. So A here is the amplitude we're looking for to determine. Okay, so therefore we have A is equal to square root 2us over K. So we know the spring constant is 659.3 Newton per meter. So therefore let's try to determine the classical amplitude, which is equal to square root 2 times 4.14 times 10 to the power of negative 21 joule over 659.3 Newton per meter. And this will give us the amplitude is about 3.54 times 10 to the power of negative 12 meter. And these are the answers for this question.